Hi everyone, welcome back to Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to remove limits on Instagram. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. If you want to keep your Instagram profile safe, then there are daily and hourly limits for your likes, comments and subscribing on Instagram. So if you've already enabled the limits feature, then here's how to disable Instagram limits in a few simple steps. Tap open Instagram application and make sure that you are logged into your account. Now, tap on the profile icon in the bottom right hand corner from your main homepage and this will open up your Instagram profile. Now, tap on the three horizontal bars at the top right hand corner and select Settings from the options. Tap Privacy from the Settings menu and go and tap on Limits under Interactions. At the bottom of the page, you'll be able to see your Turn Off button. If you tap on Turn Off, you'll be able to turn off your limits feature on your Instagram. That is how it can be easily done. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.